5 reasons why you should be using video to market your business. Hey there, I'm Jonathan Creek, founder of Viral, and I want to share with you 5 reasons why video is most definitely the smart choice when it comes to effectively marketing your business, product, or service. Firstly, video does things to the human brain that other media struggles to achieve. Because there is that combination of moving pictures, sounds, and sometimes even music, video attracts attention and stimulates more parts of the brain, and that leads to a deeper connection with the viewer. Thinking brains don't buy, feeling brains do, and the fastest way to a buying heart is via stories. Videos that execute proper story frameworks, combined with the deeper connection, rapidly transition viewers into buying in. Video plays to the algorithm, and you need to play too. The major social media platforms are tuned to enhancing and promoting video content. And the reason why is simple. It's because they can make more money off the ads associated to video content than any other posts online. So, your reward for helping them make more money is that in return, they will give you greater exposure and reach. It's the greatest form of SEO you could ever invest in. Video is the best honeypot to sit at the top of your sales funnel. That's because the social media platforms will help you easily decipher who you need to be targeting based purely on how much they engaged with your video. And you just don't get that level of data from written or photo posts. And finally, number 5, and this is a little bit of a tricky one. You need to be learning how to make your videos, because having that production in the hands of others is often expensive and time consuming. And when you put what I like to call your brand voice in the hands of others, it's never as real, relevant, and relatable as you need it to be. So you need to invest in yourself and start to learn how to make your own videos today. It will save you money and make you money all at the same time. So there you go. That's my fast 5 reasons why you need video in your business. Now, there's going to be more videos like this coming soon. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if you're still in the mood to learn more, well, there is a link to my free Kick-Ass Videos course in the comments below. Enjoy, and I'll catch you soon. Peace.